Welcome to Caching Waves, guys. Today I wanted to give you an update on Bitcoin with the very low volatility over the weekend. Wanted to show you guys where I left off. This is when I entered my short position. I put a stop there. You can see at the red line. I was anticipating a leading diagonal A or a leading diagonal wave 1. We haven't really had that movement clearly. And a few days after that, a day or two, we got this. So I saw a potential ABC down and looking for a long position to new highs above the wave 1 for an ending diagonal C wave on the larger time frame. And I'll show you that at the end, those counts. That leaves us to where we are now. Still possible that we had that ABC in and we're coming up for a larger B wave, which would look like this: A, B, C, coming up for a B wave and then more downside. That's not my primary account currently, but you can see it's up there in gray. Only my primary accounts will have color. My alternates will be in gray. So there's my positions I'm currently in. I have a short and a long still. Very close to invalidation. My stop is right here at my long, just at the last low. We can still get this move up, but I'll definitely be protecting my profit if that does happen, because I'm not expecting us to get all the way up to here anymore from this level. So leaving my short open, my entry was here, I believe, with my stop up here. I've now lowered my stop a little bit here to this level, and this is what I believe we have currently. I believe we have a 3-wave A. I believe we have a running flat B wave. We have 3, 3, 3. We came just right near the 618 there of the A wave to the C wave off the B, which does work for a running flat, especially if a big bearish move's coming, which I believe we are getting here. I believe we'll get a 3-wave, more likely to get a 3-wave than a 5-wave, just because our correction, even if you go to the high, just came to the 50. Especially if this was a flat, we'd expect it to come a little bit higher, and then we'd look for 5 waves down. That's why I have this most likely going to be a WXY. Possible we get 5 waves. That's why I have it labeled as a ABC. But if we just get 3 waves down here, I'd switch this to a WXY. If you're unaware, that's pretty much the only difference between a flat and a WXY is in our last wave, we just get 3 waves rather than 5. That was a big improvement in my trading once I implemented that rule. Just look for 3 or 5, look at the fib targets, look at the rejection at the bottom, and your trading will improve. So off that, we would consider this our B waves. So we're looking for a push down to at least the 618 at 28,922. We could come down to the 28,597 level if we get 1-to-1 where our W or A wave would equal our C or Y wave. So I'm going to target just slightly past at this point, and as we drop, I will lower my stops to protect profit at invalidation levels. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see those updates on this trade. So that's currently what I'm looking for. At that point, we'd either get an A wave, come up for, we'd either get an A wave, 3-wave move, come up to a Fibonacci level between 50 and 618, and then we go for another low. We'll obviously need to let the waves fill out to see the reaction at these levels. We can also end up getting a flat up to new highs, again from the same area. It's going to be interesting to see the reaction down there, and this would be our larger Y wave move. So either way, I'll probably look for a long after this completes. Go from there. But what I mean by that, let's go to the hourly. Is we would get our W, X, Y. 3 running flat, X wave, and 3 running flat before we look for further downside. Still waiting to hit the 50 to the 618 here of this up move here before expecting further upside. So that is my updates. Looking to take profit around this level. Currently I have it set at 28,855 on BitGet, and I'll be looking for a long at that point, and either a corrective move up, or if we take off from this level down here in higher highs. So that's it for the update today, guys. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see the updates on this trade, where I move my stops, everything like that. Thanks for watching.